Okay, so this is Jill. She's one of the volunteers here. Jill, tell us a bit about the place, if you would.
Well, it's a beautiful place to volunteer. I think that's the big thing. As volunteers, we get to work in this beautiful garden with you can see. I mean, these are espalier apples. You can learn such a lot about growing fruit and vegetables to organic principles, composting. Absolutely, it's a great place to learn. The walled garden is a large walled garden. Yeah, any extra volunteers, we're always really pleased to see somebody new. Or the walled garden used to be looked after by Healy City Farm, and then we were volunteers in that. But they had to withdraw from that, so the volunteers just took it over from a couple of years ago. So we've been scrabbling really to manage to organise ourselves, and Bridget, our head gardener, is amazing. She's got so much knowledge, so she's away at the moment, so we'll have to fend for ourselves, which is interesting.
Yeah. So you mentioned a bit ago about some past links to RHS.
Oh yes, yeah. So recently, the RHS came to Wentworth Woodhouse. Young architects, landscapers who had done the degree at Sheffield University won the chance to do a long border at the RHS and asked us if we would grow the plants for it. So we did. So we grew a lot from seed, because it was called the Edimental Kitchen Classroom Garden, and it's all about how you can grow plants to eat, and it still looks pretty and all the rest of it. So we grew almost all of the plants for it, and it was great. I went on Sunday, and we were really relieved, because the growing conditions had been very difficult. That hot, dry early summer that we've had.
Yeah.
But it looked great, so we were really proud of that. And that garden has now been planted at Warncliffe Side School.
Right. Okay.
So those children now can see, or can learn about growing food and
the benefit of it. Yeah.
Get the benefit of it. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, lovely speaking to you. Thanks ever so much for sharing your insight about the place.
Yeah.
And I hope to catch up with you soon.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jill.